Mrs. May, who's just going to give me a bit of a hand today, and our patient Persia, who will be giving a worming tablet too. So we just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about how to give tablets or pills to your cat. So one of the main things is to have your cat up on a table, which just takes them out of their comfort zone a little bit and makes it a little bit easier to handle. Having an assistant is also really, really valuable. That is definitely one of my top recommendations, is to have an assistant. Other things that you can find helpful are using implements such as this pill giver. So it just means that you can keep your fingers out of the way a little bit, so you're less likely to get bitten. So the pill giver, you just slot the pill into the end and push the plunger, and the pill pops out at the end. The other thing is maybe not quite so useful in cats, but would be very useful in dogs, would be to use little treats or sort of soft pieces of food that you could bury the pill in. A lot of dogs will just eat a pill straight out of your hand if it's hidden in food, so that's definitely a top tip for dogs. With cats, as well as having a helper, the main tip I would have would be to be just very confident. So the first thing to do would be to take hold of the cat's head. So you can be quite firm. I can move the cat around without them being in any pain or discomfort. And then the most important thing is to tip the head upwards. And the key is to have the nose pointed directly up to the ceiling, so to have the nose very vertical. And that means that their bottom jaw automatically drops down, so it's much easier for you then to open their mouths. You would hold the pill between your first and thumb of the other hand, and using the middle finger take hold of the bottom jaw. This cat almost opens the mouth automatically, but use the middle finger to just prise the bottom jaw open and then pop the pill in with your forefinger. They may make a little bit of a noise, but that's just a bit of a protest, but obviously the tablet's good for them in the long run. Giving them a little bit of a stroke to reassure them. Some cats you might need to close the mouth and just hold the mouth shut for a few minutes. Other cats as well, just stroking underneath the jaw in their throat area will just encourage them to swallow and sort of take down the pill. And then hopefully you'll be successful in tableting your cat.